Guys, this is DJ King and today I'm going to do a magic trick. I will pass this coin through this plastic cup. You can see there is no hole on this. You can see here also. I will pass this coin by rubbing it on the surface of the cup. So let's do it. So you can see nothing is here. The coin is in my hand. So you can see here. I'll rub it. Sorry, it's a mistake. I did a mistake. I will do it again. Guess where it is. See here. It's inside it. The coin. You can do it. I will tell you the trick how to do this. Just cut with the knife or scissor, cut it like this so the coin can pass through it, and turn the cup in the opposite direction of the camera so that nobody can see the cut, and just show them that there is no cut on the upside, and put the coin in upside and do like this, and slowly put it in like inside of the cup, and just do it like this. First show them you are rubbing, then after like few seconds you just pass it through this, pass it through the hole, and it will go down, and you can show them like I did the magic trick. Okay, that's the trick behind this. Thanks for watching, guys. You can subscribe my channel and give it a like to my video. Bye.